Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we'll do control balance, your mat exercise here using your spine corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So control balance on the mat is a tricky one. It's a lot of people frustrated about it, and I really like using the spine corrector as a tool to teach it, especially if you don't have a mat with handles. There's a lot of ways you can get feedback. There's also a lot of exercise on the spine corrector that can also help teach control balance. That's part of your leg series. So if you're here with the OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels deck, you'll see a lot of exercises that reference the control balance and the high scissors and things like that. So definitely explore all those exercises. And this one is not one to miss because it's really helpful for teaching you what to do with your upper back and gives your leg some feedback on what to do as well. So we're going to lie here on the ground and have your head towards the hump, grab onto these handles, and then take the legs overhead parallel to the mat. I even like to take my feet to the barrel. So I've got some feedback and I lift one leg up. So this leg isn't resting, but I can reach it across the barrel and then I can switch. So sometimes what gets us hung up on control balance isn't the legs, although oftentimes it is. It's the shoulder girdle not being something we can stand on. So here you can pull on these handles wide to give you something to stand on, and then you can work that leg over its hip and over its hip. Woo. And I just found some new amazing stuff, even in my own control balance. So after this, I'm going to go do control balance so I can see if I can find it on my own. And that is the key, using these barrels as tools to get connections we might not have in our practice and explore finding those connections without our support, because they're here for as long as we need them, but at some point you might not. And it's important to check it out without that support so you can know when it's time for using it, when you don't need it anymore, and you've gotten stronger and you can celebrate that. If you have questions about this, put in the comments below. We go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time answering your questions. And of course, in our members only community, we answer our members' questions every single day. We love supporting you, giving you feedback on your form, holding you accountable, and just having you as part of our amazing community. So if you're not part of the community, go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube. Thank you so much.